Welcome to the quarterly update for InTrack. My name is Myron Sofer. I'm the managing partner, and I'd like to introduce you to Matt Sofer, our new portfolio manager.
Thanks, Myron. Nice to meet everybody. It's been an eventful start to 2024. Can you give us some of your initial thoughts on the first 6 months to last quarter?
We've had a very volatile 6 months. The first thing that comes to mind are the various cybersecurity breaches we've all heard about, followed by the Japanese yen falling to its lowest level since 1986, and then the invasion of the Kenyan parliament. All of this followed by all the various climate change issues that are happening on a global basis.
And despite all of these challenges, we sit here today and the major U.S. equity indexes, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow, are each at all-time highs.
There seems to be a real dislocation right now between reality and what's happening in the markets. But I think what people actually need to do is separate themselves from the daily negative news and all of the noise that's out there, and instead focus on the opportunities that we think are at hand when you think about themes that could impact us both short and in the long term.
So talking about themes, could you maybe give us two focus areas you're thinking about right now?
Right now, I think two of the areas would be our water supply and our power supply issues. In the water, we see the depletion of our aquifers. We see contamination domestically. We see the aging infrastructure, which on the average is over 45 years for our municipalities. And the fact that it's going to take about $625 billion by 2041 to ensure all of us to have clean water for our population here in the United States. And to look at water, we can use our existing technology, change filtration systems, remediation of waste water, changing of valves, and the utilization of software systems to better manage our use of water. In the second area, power supply, we are looking at the reinvention of the electrification system of the United States. It's called the microgrid, and we're going to continue to use renewable energy to reduce our use of fossil fuels, and especially the use of power at peak periods through wind, solar battery power backup systems, and the reasonable use of natural resources here in the United States to benefit all of us.
And we talked about some of the recent headlines earlier in the segment. I think we'd be probably remiss not to mention AI. I mean, it's probably going to play a relatively significant role in both water scarcity, power usage, and other industries from a data analytics perspective, but we just may not understand what that value is yet.
Yeah, I think the value will begin to be understood in the future. We haven't been able to really monetize AI at this point in time, but I think the best is yet to come.
All right, thanks, Myron. I'm excited to be here on InTrack and love the opportunity to continue delivering value to our clients.
Thank you.
Thanks.